विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण चॅप्टर 5 कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री जे बोर्ड एक्झाम मध्ये 7 मार्क्स साठी विचारले जाते ते आज शिकणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी तुम्ही 9th स्टँडर्डला डिस्टन्स बिटवीन एनी टू पॉइंट्स हे शिकलात. या ठिकाणी मी एक नंबर लाईन ड्रॉ केली बघा. त्याच्यावर मी इंटिजर्स दाखवलेले आहेत 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3 -4 -5. Q P O R असे पॉइंट दाखवलेत. या पॉइंटला आपण ग्राफ असं म्हणतो आणि हे जे नंबर्स आहेत यांना कोऑर्डिनेट्स म्हणतो, कोऑर्डिनेट्स. आता आपण पॉइंट P चा जर विचार केला तर रिलेटेड नंबर -1 आहे, म्हणजेच पॉइंट P चा कोऑर्डिनेट काय झाला -1, O चा कोऑर्डिनेट 0, R चा कोऑर्डिनेट 4, Q चा कोऑर्डिनेट -5. आता हाऊ टू फाइंड द डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स. डिस्टन्स बिटवीन टू पॉइंट्स इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट मायनस स्मॉलेस्ट कोऑर्डिनेट. आपण या ठिकाणी डिस्टन्स PQ फाइंड करूया. डिस्टन्स PQ फ्रॉम नंबर लाइन कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट P इज -1. Similarly, coordinate of point Q is -5. -1 -5 याच्यामध्ये कुठला कोऑर्डिनेट ग्रेटर आहे? -1 हा ग्रेटर झाला. नंबर लाईन वर जर आपण दोन नंबरचा विचार केला, आता -1 -5 तर हा राईट हँड साइडला जो नंबर असतो तो ग्रेटर असतो, म्हणजे -1 हा -5 पेक्षा काय ग्रेटर आहे. -1 greater than -5. Distance between two points is equals to greatest coordinate minus smallest coordinate. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to greatest coordinate is -1 minus smallest coordinate is -5. Now simplify it. -1 as it is, minus plus 5. -1 plus 5 is equal to 4. Therefore, distance PQ is equal to 4. आता आपण how to find if the points are on the x-axis and y-axis, then distance between these two points. To find the distance between any two points on an axis, first to find the distance between two points on y-axis, I draw the xy plane. X dash, x axis is y dash, and this is the origin. Now I take here point A and B. Here point A and B are on the x axis, hence its y coordinates are 0. I consider this first. The coordinate of A is x1 0, coordinate of B is x2 0. These 2 points are lie on x-axis. Here x2 is greater than x1, x2 greater than x1. Then distance AB is equal to greater coordinate x2 minus x1. When the points are on the x-axis, then distance between these 2 points is equal to difference of their x coordinates. Similarly, to find the distance between two points on y-axis, I draw the xy plane. Here point P, Q lie on the y-axis, means their x coordinates are 0. I consider the coordinate of point P 0 y1, coordinate of point Q is 0 y2. In the figure, points P 0 y1, Q coordinate 0 y2 lie on the y-axis. Here y2 y1, y2 is greater than y1. Therefore, distance between 2 points y2 minus y1. If the points are lie on the y-axis, then the distance between these 2 points is difference of their y coordinates. Now the next, to find the distance between 2 points if the segment joining these points is parallel to any axis in the xy plane. Now first, segment is parallel to x-axis. I draw the xy plane, x dash, y dash. Here the origin. AB segment. This AB segment parallel to x-axis. Draw AL perpendicular to x-axis, BM perpendicular to x-axis. Hence, this quadrilateral ABML is a rectangle. Why? 90 degree. AB parallel to LM means ABML is a rectangle. You know the opposite sides of rectangle are equals. Hence, I write here AB is equal to LM. Here quadrilateral AB LM is a rectangle. AB is equal to LM, opposite sides of a rectangle. Here point L and M are on the x-axis. Therefore, the distance between L and M means distance LM is equal to difference of their x coordinates, means x2 minus x1. LM is equal to x2 minus x1. Hence, I write here LM is equal to x2 minus x1. But this LM is equal to AB means AB also x2 minus x1. When the segment is parallel to x-axis, then the distance between the endpoints of that segments, that is distance AB, is equal to difference of their x coordinates x2 minus x1. Points are on the x-axis, then distance between these 2 points is equal to difference of their x coordinates, means x2 minus x1. Similarly, here segment is parallel to y-axis. I draw the xy plane, x dash, y dash, origin, PQ segment. This PQ segment is parallel to y-axis. I consider the coordinates of PQ x1, y2, Q, its coordinate x1, y1. Segment PQ parallel to y-axis, PR perpendicular to y-axis, QS perpendicular to y-axis. Therefore, the coordinate of point R and S here, point R and S are on the y-axis, means their x coordinates are 0, and the y coordinate is here y1, and R coordinate is y coordinate of this R is y2, means coordinate of S 0 y1, coordinate of R 0 y2. Quadrilateral, this PQ SR, PQ parallel to RS, PR perpendicular to y-axis, QS perpendicular to y-axis. Hence, this quadrilateral is a rectangle, means PQSR is a rectangle, means PQ is equal to RS, opposite sides of a rectangle. Here, but RS is equal to y2 minus y1. Points are on the y-axis, then distance between these 2 points is difference of their y coordinates, means y2 minus y1. And this RS is equal to PQ, therefore distance PQ is equal to y2 minus y1. Now the next concept is distance formula. This is very, very important. I draw the xy plane, x dash, y dash, here origin, point A and B, point A x1 y1, B x2 y2, any 2 points on this xy plane, in the xy plane, I draw the perpendicular BP perpendicular to x-axis and AD perpendicular to BP. Here AD parallel to x-axis, therefore AD parallel to x-axis, therefore distance AD is equal to x2 minus x1. AD is parallel to x-axis, therefore distance between A and D, difference of their x coordinates, x2 minus x1, therefore AD is equal to x2 minus x1. This BD is parallel to y-axis, therefore distance BD is equal to y2 minus y1. Now here triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. D is 90 degree here. By Pythagoras theorem, this AB square, AB is a hypotenuse. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now, you substitute the values here. AD, x2 minus x1 bracket square plus BD, y2 minus y1 bracket square. This is a AB square, value of AB square. Now, taking square root on both sides, AB square, its square root is AB, is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, taking square root on both sides. This is known as a distance formula. Means distance formula is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now next, distance between origin and any point in the xy plane. The coordinate of origin are 0, 0. You know, coordinate of origin, x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 0. Coordinates of point P are considered xy. Then the distance OP is equals to under root of x square plus y square. This is the distance between the origin and any point in the xy plane.